Hi, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Chef David and Buster. Today we're going to make an amazing recipe, Kalbi ribs. Today I picked up these amazing short ribs from the box meat shop right here where I live, Fountain Hills. They cut it to size specifically for what I wanted. Totally appreciate that. The box meat shop is a great company. I've been using them for a while now, and their products are top notch. And I know these short ribs are going to taste so good when I get done marinating them and cooking them. Now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to marinate these. So I'm going to marinate them, and I'm going to let them sit and marinate for about 2 days before I cook them. All right, let's get started. Fresh green onions, fresh ginger chopped, fresh garlic rough chopped. All right, we're going to start to marinate. The green onions, chopped garlic, half cup chopped garlic, 1 cup green onions, half cup of chopped ginger, 2 cups of soy sauce, 2 cups of water, tablespoon of sesame oil, half teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 cups of sugar. I also like to throw a couple sliced mandarin oranges in the marinade. Gives a little bit of a citrus flavor too, and the citrus also helps break the tissues down in the meat. Makes it a lot tender. All right, marinade's done. Now we're going to marinate the meat. Now we're going to do a layer by layer of the marinade, just so we get all that flavor in between everything. Okay, do a little game of Tetris here to fit everything in one container. These containers I use, I love them. They're perfect size for marinating. This is 4 pounds of short ribs. That's perfect. Pour the rest of the marinade. Make sure everything's pressed down. There you go. Now we'll just cover this, put it in the fridge for 2 days, and then we'll grill it. I like to use a little bit of wax paper to submerge everything and make sure everything is under the marinade. The worst thing for meat is to have your meat oxidize from the air. If you keep it like this, no air in, just marinate, and the meat will soak it all up. All right, I'm gonna put this in the fridge for 2 days, and then we'll cook it. Press down, make sure all the air's out of it. All right, awesome. All right, it's been 2 days. Now we're gonna check on the marinade. Oh, look at that. Looky. That looks perfect. All right, let's get the grill ready and get cooking. Pulled them all out of the marinade. Now we're going to set this aside, let it get to room temperature, and then we're going to grill them. Now you already marinated them, but I like to season them just with salt and a little bit of pepper. And there, then you're good to go. Ready for the grill. All right, we got the grill warmed up to temp. I'm going to start putting these ribs in. I'm going to probably do 2 batches. Alright, let it go and then we'll kick it over. Alright, I'll flip them over. Ones in the front still got to go a little bit longer. All right, let's check in on them. We have these back ribs here. Throw them up here and throw these ones back. And 3 other ones. Make sure. Yep, this one's done. Yep, that one's done. That one's done. That one's done. Yeah, you don't want to overcook them. This one's got a big piece right here, so I'm going to make sure that cooks a little bit. We'll come back in a minute. There, bud. Alright, I'll finish this up and I'll take them in and we'll plate. And yeah, you are going to get a few char spots. That's because of the sugar you got in the marinade. That's why you got to watch it when you're on the grill. This is done. Pull this back here. A little bit more. A little bit longer. Alright, let's pull the rest of the ribs. Should be done. Yep, perfect. There we go. There's our ribs. They look amazing, smell amazing. Can't wait to taste them. Made a batch of mac salad to go with these ribs. I already have this recipe on there. I got these amazing dishes the other day, so I'm going to use them to plate. I have a special plate for my wife. Cut a little green onion. Alright, so I cut the Kalbi into 2 bones, just so it could be easier to plate. And I got some fresh green onions. And do a little furikake, the rice. Couple green onions. There you have it, fresh Kalbi ribs, Hawaiian mac salad, and steamed rice. Plate lunch to die for. You'll love it. Hey bud, what do you think about that one? You like that, huh? Awesome. Hope you enjoyed it. We're definitely going to enjoy it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And we'll see what we come up with on the next video. Have a great day and aloha.